Insta360 has a new firmware update out for the X3, and to be honest, I'm shocked.
I'm shocked.
Because one of the features they have released is something I have been waiting for years, ever since I got my One X. If you followed my Insta360 videos over the years, you know that I am a big fan of the mobile app and mobile editing. I mean, that was the whole point of Insta360 cameras for me. I loved the mobile editing experience, and the desktop studio felt like too much work. It didn't feel like fun at all. But the downside of mobile editing is that the product you get is great, but it's just not as high quality in terms of resolution that you get out of the desktop studio on your computer. Now, I was happy to live with that compromise, but now I'm one step closer to getting high quality videos, but still keeping the fun of editing with the mobile app. Especially the live editing using the viewfinder function. That's always been the most fun for me, where you physically move the phone and swipe the screen for your reframes. Now you can reframe on mobile using that viewfinder and then import the project file to Studio for exporting by simply connecting your camera to the computer, or even taking the memory card and connecting that instead. Here's the extra step you need to take once you've recorded your footage and edited with the viewfinder on your X3. On the top right of the screen, click the 3 white dots. Then make sure Edit Data is selected and click at the bottom to export to camera storage. That's your edit file, which you'll need in Studio. Simply open the newly made .ins data file and continue editing in Insta360 Studio on your computer, or simply export in higher resolution there. Check out this comparison here. Here's some more detail on how it works. For now, only reframing edits made in the album editor can be transferred to Studio, including viewfinder, deep track, and keyframes. Your X3 must be connected to the app for editing so that the files can be transferred back to your camera's storage for transfer back to your computer. It really needs to write that data in. And that also means that for now, edits with Snap Wizard, AutoFrame, ShotLab, and the Story Editor are not supported in this new workflow. But Insta360 tells me that they may roll it out for those features on demand. So if you want it, let them know. And this is only available on the X3 for now. Again, if you want it for another Insta360's cameras, let them know. And if enough of you do that, they may consider it. Some of the other changes that Insta360 have introduced in this firmware update include tweaking PureShot for clearer photos with less noise and better colors. And yes, you can now use your X3 as a webcam too. Remember, you'll need to update both the app and the firmware for the camera in order to access these new and pretty exciting features. I'll make a couple of shorts in the coming weeks to cover these additional changes, but I am super pumped for the changes to mobile editing, and I think this is an awesome addition from Insta360 that gets an A from me. Let's see how it performs, and if it can earn an A+ when I report back on how well it does in a few weeks. Thanks for watching. Look out for more videos from me like these, and see you back here again soon. I'm Saab Johal, and this is A+. Cheers and go well.